How to log into Genius Employee Portal. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Genius Employee Portal. For this, launch open any web browser. Now, you want to search for Genius Employee Login. Then click on this option of Employee Login. This will take you to this web page over here. As you can see, there is this employee login portal. Go ahead and enter your username on the first box. Then on the second box, you want to enter your password. After this, click on the login option. If the details you've entered is correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password option. Then you will have to enter either of these details. You can enter your employee ID or your PAN number or your Aadhaar number. Then you want to click on the next option. After this, follow the on-screen prompt in order to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.